Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. I greatly appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me today. I want to say a special thank you to Virginia for hanging out with me for all my videos before. She said that she's my #1 fan, so I appreciate her. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Modern Renaissance palette. We're just going to go back into some of the products that I've already kind of been through, products that I like, some that I want to try again, and just see what we think and just have fun playing with makeup. So if you like to see what look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, first I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm kind of thinking today doing a little bit of a pinky smoky vibe. Ooh, a lot more came out than I wanted it to. I've been having trouble with this Milani eye primer of it kind of spitting at me. I forgot to do my brows. I'm going to take the Covergirl brow pencil. I'm just going to hop off and do my brows real quick, and I'll be right back so we can get started on the eye look. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to take one Fresco. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to go into Love Letter, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to take that first blending brush and just go over the edges. Now I'm going to go into Vermeer right here and just put a little bit of sparkle on the inner corner. Taking a cotton round and a little bit of micellar water and just cleaning up my edges. Taking the Too Faced Major Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer, and I'm going to put that on my face just to prime. I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm taking my e.l.f. sponge and I'm going to blend that out. Taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer And I'm just going to put that on my under eyes. I'm taking that same sponge and going to blend it out. Now I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte with my e.l.f. small tapered small tapered brush. And I'm just going to blend out any of the creases. Now I'm taking my brush and I'm just going to put that all over my face just to I'm taking the Belgian waffle palette, and I think I'm just going to take a batter right here in the middle, and I'm going to put that on my face. I'm going under my chin. And down my neck. Now I'm going into the Bellini palette, and I'm going to take just peachy right here. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. I'm going over my nose to look sunburnt and sun-kissed. And now I'm going back in the Belgian waffle palette, and I'm going to take syrup right here, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going down my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to take a love letter and just put it underneath my eye. And I just took Vermeer, the shade that's on my inner corner, and put it on my inner corner highlight. I'm going to throw on some Lash Princess real quick. Sorry if I'm sniffling. My allergies are acting up. My eyes are watering. And every time I do something with my eyes, it just makes it worse. I'm just going to put on the Milani Fruit Fetish lip balm today. I have to say, I'm loving this. Super comfortable on the lips. Super soft, smells great. So I'm super loving this. How many times can I say super in one sentence? And I'm going to use the Maybelline glass spray. That has a nice smell too. Taking my handy fan and just drying that. As it dries down, I'm taking my sponge and just blending everything together. Alright, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. The things that I wanted to retry was these palettes, and I'm really enjoying them. The first time that I used them, I used a different brush, and I'm really enjoying them with this brush that I've been using, the e.l.f. brush. This one, it really does great about blending in your bronzer, so I'm really enjoying these. And the glass spray, I'm really liking that, and the lip balm, like I said. Everything else I've tried before. You know, I love these. So, and also the hangover RX. I enjoy this too, but it's super hydrating. So, well, that's everything. If you liked it, hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to become a part of our family. Also, ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload at least twice a week, but a lot of times I upload more like 3 or 4, just depending on what's going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.